You gotta walk, walk, walk the Bible way. Read your Bible, don't forget to pray. You gotta walk, walk, walk the Bible way. Read your Bible, don't forget to pray. We sing that all the time at this Christian school, and it's so catchy, and I love it. Anyways, this is Brainstorms with Capital Conspiracy Trading, and GDEV, the stock that I was talking to you guys about last weekend, announces on the 4th. So this was yesterday. I meant to make a video on it. Sorry, I got caught up. I had COVID, and I had to work and a lot of other things. But anyways, GDEV announces unaudited results for the second quarter and first half of 2024. So there is some lowlights and there is some highlights. Let me give you my speculative what I think is going to happen in the near future for GDEV, because there is at the end some good things, right? So we're skipping this part because this is the ending, if I want to say, because after I read it. So revenue decreased. The bookings decrease. So basically advertising bookings. So that's kind of a good thing, a less expense at 3%. Selling and marketing expenses decreased as well at 7%. The platform commissions also decreased 16% year over year, another lessening of the expense. Profit for the period 15 million compared to the 20 million. They have 5 million less profit, right? But they're lowering their expenses. Their adjusted EBITDA for this period 16 million for 24 in the second quarter of 24, staying at the same level compared to the second quarter of 2023. Why is this important here, right? Let me just get to this big thing. So cash flows generated from operating activities were 11 million, demonstrating strong cash management, operational efficiency. I agree. European share of bookings increased to 29%, reflecting our growing presence and successful marketing activities in the region. So they're lowering some bookings in some areas and hitting new areas. So why is this important? So look at this. Hero Wars Pixel Gun 3D. You've all seen Hero Wars advertised on your app, on your phone, and they're, dude, if you haven't seen it, then you're obviously not on YouTube or any of the other TikToks or any of that stuff. It's constant. But now they're they're branching out and not just being on their phone. Now they're going to go on PC and they're going to be on Steam. I don't know if you guys use Steam. I use Steam. Successfully expanded to the PC platform launch on Steam. I think if they can capitalize this is what I think. If they can capitalize with their already good brands for these two here, that they will be able to go forward, and I think that we're going to see 30s in the near future. So this is why I say this, right? This is unaudited results. This is good overall, right? They have strong cash flow management. This is great, especially now they're moving to Steam. That means they move into Steam and going over to Europe. That means that they're hitting a new market that hasn't been touched yet. So there goes more revenue because they've already hit the United States. Also, it's going to help the efforts to keep this brand alive over in the United States, this Hero Wars and Pixel Guns. So it's not, well, I'm not only playing on my PC or my phone. Now you can play it on your PC. Big news. I mean, the video game industry last year grossed $70 billion. That's insane. And that's not even including, I don't think Rockstar even came out with anything substantial, like a Grand Theft Auto or a Red Dead Redemption. So nothing really crazy came out, but that's still $70 billion. That just shows you how much money is to be made by making video games. And these are, this company knows how to do it. I like how they're going into new markets. I like how they're going to expand their advertising in these new markets. I like how they are decreasing some of their expenses in some areas that weren't needed anymore because they've already hit it. They already realized, like if you're let's use a simple example here. If you know that you've hit a whole market and you're selling lemonade and everybody you sell lemonade, they're not thirsty anymore. You're gonna go to a different area where you know they're thirsty. Easiest explanation that I could give you why they're doing this. So yeah, GDEV, real bullish. Brainstorms with Capital Conspiracy Trading. Check us out on the Discord. subscribe and like to the YouTube. It's really appreciated. And we're going to keep on flipping out content. We're going to have new content to try to get some conspiracy theory stuff out there, make some long, good videos for that. You know, so everybody likes a good conspiracy theory. We also are going to put out a lot of good in-depth stock analysis. The reason that we can put out so much gold content is because we have a lot of gold people on our team. There's a nice large team here that works together, and we are literally murdering things. Not actually killing people, but we are murdering the stock market with good plays and good ideas. We do things the right way. We don't try to cheat people and lie about what we do. We just straight to the point. If we suck, we suck. If we don't, we don't. In a while, we have not sucked. So, yeah.
Is it worth it?
Oh, yeah, it's worth it. If you're strong enough.